Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today is Sunday. I'm here with another weekly performance review video. So I come here every Sunday and give you a brief of what happened during our previous week and how our performance has been. So I'm here to do the 2nd June weekly performance review. Last week was very good for us. So you can see that we were up around 10% on a week on week basis when Nifty was only up about 3%. If we see from the financial year, we're down by around 9%, where Nifty is down around 5%. Last week, we've made around 13,500, even though we are in a soup of, from the financial year, but we're hoping to recover during the course of next few weeks. And if we see the number of trades, we have taken 23 trades, in which our win is about 16 trades. Coming to our cash market, last week was good for us. Around 3,700 was recovered. Let me go to our back office and show you. This is all our holdings currently. So we're down only about here 5,800 rupees. Yeah, that is a gist of everything about what happened in last week. Guys, today is June 5th. We have a community event. If you've not forgot about that, I'll be meeting all of you around 1 o'clock in Big Brewski today. I'm really excited to see you all guys there. Have a nice weekend. See you. Bye-bye.